Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to season some curry chicken, and here I have 12 chicken thighs and I washed them with vinegar and lime and I cut them in 3 pieces. So here I added 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion granules, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. So use whatever curry powder of your choice. It doesn't matter as long as it tastes good, right? Yes, it needs to taste good. It needs to be a good curry powder in order for it to be a good curry chicken recipe, right? Yes. So go ahead and just rub up everything on the chicken, and it is always good to add a little bit of whether all-purpose seasoning or chicken seasoning to your curry. It just gives it a little extra flavor, right? It really helps to make it really good. But yeah, it's not a must. If you only want to add the curry, then go ahead and add the curry, but it normally give it a little and a. So yeah, rub that up, and then we're gonna set it aside. It is great when you season your curry and you set it aside for give it even 2 hours the least, but overnight is better. And here we have it, Vibes fam, a nice bowl of thoroughly seasoned curry chicken. Yes, look at it. Look at good body chicken. Look at chicken that is delectable seasoned. Oh my goodness. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. So please go ahead and click that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell as well so you can be alerted when I post a new video, and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, right? Thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate your support. Thank you.